Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Valentino from Disney's Wish. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the nose. We'll start with the curve across, and then angle it down to the center. Now underneath, let's draw a line down. And then from the bottom, let's curve it down and up on both sides. And then from the top, let's curve it back in to the sides of the nose. Now top underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with 2 angles down. And then a line across the bottom. And then inside, let's add one more line across. Now top underneath and let's add one more curve. Next, let's hop back up, and from the sides, let's bring it out and curve it down. And then from the bottom, let's curve it in and down, leaving a gap in the middle. Now from the bottom of each side, let's angle it up, and then a V shape in the middle. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop up and let's draw the eyes. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve down on both sides like this. And then from the bottom, let's curve it out. Now let's hop in and let's draw a curve up and back down. And then a curve across the bottom of each one. Now inside, let's add another curve at the top to thicken it up slightly. And color the small top sections in black. Now on the inside bottom corners, let's draw a circular curve. And then a small circle inside on the top right. And then a larger circle behind in the center. And then let's color these in black. Now top back out and let's finish drawing the patch around the eyes. From the bottom, let's curve it up. And then on top, let's add the eyebrows. Let's draw a curve. Then for the inside, a small curve up. And then one more curve on top to finish off each of the eyebrows. And that's it for the face. Now let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw 2 points up for the hair. Then from the sides, let's curve it down, around the eyes, and curve it out. Then underneath both sides, let's draw a small curve in. Now underneath, let's draw another V-shaped curve. And then curve it back into the mouth. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's move to the sides and add the ears. Let's start from the top left and let's draw an S-shaped curve down and out. And then curve it back in at the bottom. Now let's do the same thing for the right ear. Next, let's move inside and let's draw a wavy line down across the top. Bring it up from the bottom and then another wavy line to the end. And the same thing inside the right ear. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw 2 angled lines down and out. Next, let's move to the center and let's draw a small line across and then bring it down from both sides. Now from the bottom, let's curve it up and out. Then let's add another rectangle notch up. And then one more angle to close off each end. Next, let's move inside and let's add the pattern. Let's start by drawing a border along the bottom. And then inside, let's add 2 diamonds. And then half a diamond with an angled line on the sides. Now on the top left, let's draw an upside down triangle. And the same on the top right. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the front legs. Let's start with a curve down on both sides. And then an S-shaped curve down inside like this. And then add a curve across the bottom. Next, let's add 2 curves inside each of the sleeves. Now underneath, let's draw 2 curves down. And then a zigzag line across, like this. Now underneath each side, let's draw a line down, curve it out, and down again. And the same thing next to it. And then 2 more underneath the right side. And again, let's close it off with a zigzag line. Now underneath, for the hooves, let's draw a line down on both sides. And then curves across the bottom. Next, in between, let's add a curve across for the bottom of the body. And that's it for the front legs. Now let's draw the back legs going out from the sides. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a curve up and back in. And the same on the right side. Now inside from the top, let's draw 2 curves going in, meeting at a point. Next at the bottom, let's draw a curve out and down. And then curve it back in at the bottom. And then lastly, across the middle, let's draw a zigzag line. And that's it for Valentino. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!